This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Wednesday, December 24th, 2014. Euro dollar. So the market continues to extend declines to fresh 2014 lows, with the focus now on a retest of the 2012 base at 120.40 further down. Ultimately, only back above the 50-day moving average would compromise the bearish outlook. Sterling dollar. Cable has recently broken down below a multi-day consolidation, with the break below 155.41 now opening the door for the next measured move downside extension towards the 152.50 area. Ultimately, only back above 158.26 would compromise the bearish outlook. Dollar yen. Dollar yen is looking to extend gains beyond the recent 7-year peak at 121.85, with setbacks recently stalling out in the 115.50 area, with the higher low now sought out by this level in favor of a bullish resumption. Ultimately, only back below 115.50 would compromise the bullish outlook. Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss continues to consolidate just off recent lows above the critical 120 barrier, although the recent break above 120.45 in the previous week does suggest that the market could be looking to carve a base. A break and close back above 120.45 will be required to reaffirm or strengthen this outlook and encourage basing prospects. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar continues to extend declines, with this market locked within an intense downtrend, and the market is now focused on the next test of key psychological barriers at 80. Ultimately, only back above the 10-day moving average would compromise the current short-term bearish outlook. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD continues to trade higher, and the market is now consolidating ahead of the next upside extension, which is sought towards the measured move objective in the 117.50 area. Any setback should now be very well supported into the previous resistance turn support from that previous 1467 2014 high, while only back up below 113 would compromise the bullish outlook. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar has mostly been locked in a consolidation over the past several weeks, although the market is leaning towards the bearish side, with a break below 76.09, the recent 2014 low, to open the next downside extension into the 72.85 area. Ultimately, only back above 80.35 would compromise the bearish outlook. SPX 500. The S&P 500 has rallied to yet another fresh record high, with the market now focused on a test of the next key psychological barrier at 2100. Ultimately, only back below 2010 at this point would compromise the bullish outlook. Gold. Gold is locked within the middle of a recent range between the 1131 multi-year low and 1256 further up. The market will need to break either side for the next clear extension, although while below 1256, the trend remains locked on the downside and the focus is still on a potential retest of that 1131 base. That's all for today. Happy holidays.